So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we innovate. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we innovate.
Hey twin, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I pray that you guys are blessed. I am back with a new video. So I have this new one from Why My Hair, and this is my first time collaborating with them. So thank you so much, Why My Hair, for reaching out. I decided to pick up this gorgeous high definition transparent lace 360 invisible adjustable strap glueless lace wig. And once again, this unit is a 360. It has the curly edges along the hairline all the way back to the nape. So pretty much the whole entire perimeter of this wig is covered in curls, which I find to be so adorable. So the lace is high definition transparent lace. Now the knots on this unit is pre-bleached. You do have the adjustable strap as well as the invisible straps where you can adjust the unit so you can have a nice comfortable fit. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put the unit on my canvas block and just prep it out. I was a little intimidated by these little curls, but we're going to take care of it. So firstly, right now, I'm just spritzing down everything using a little bit of water. I'm trying to kind of redirect the curls to where they lay down. And then I'm going in with a little bit of gel and I'm just brushing the back of the unit up because I do plan on wearing this unit in a ponytail, but I'm essentially doing the same thing to the very front, just applying a little bit of water, a little bit of gel, and I'm just brushing everything back. I did end up putting a middle part in this unit. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and apply my edge band just to make sure that it dries in place. And then I'm going to go in and redefine these water wave curls. So again, this is their 360 invisible adjustable strap glueless wig. My wig is 26 inches long. It does have the curly edges around the entire perimeter. Now this unit did have a small fit, but I do have tons of hair up underneath it. So if you don't have as much hair as me, girl, I have a lot of hair, then this should be a nice comfortable fit. But I did kind of struggle with the fit just a bit, but that's kind of where the invisible straps comes into play, to where you can adjust the fit to where it can be more comfortable. Once again, it was a little too small for me, but I made it work. So now that the wig is completely dry, this is what it looks like. I'm going to remove that adjustable band. You guys can see that everything is dry, everything's in place. Check out those cute little curly edges. But yes, you guys can see that it goes around the entire perimeter of the unit. Now I'm just going to apply my edge band just to kind of hold those curly edges up because I didn't have enough clips to clip them out the way. And now I'm just taking a sharp pair of cutting shears and I'm removing the lace around the entire perimeter. Now if you are a beginner, I did include a tutorial within the box. You guys saw like a little booklet, and that is going to essentially teach you guys how to remove the lace, how to install the wig. Also, if you do happen to snap the adjustable invisible straps, they do teach you exactly how to replace it, which is super simple. So now I'm taking my lace tint spray. I'm spraying that all over the lace, all around the entire perimeter, to where I can get a nice even melt. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this wig on and see what we're working with. So even though this unit is glueless, I will be using a little bit of my Got To Be Glued spray just to kind of hold everything in place, because once again, the unit was a little too small for me, so I really did need that added security. So I'm just going to go ahead and temporarily adhere the unit down. Now I didn't adhere the very back down. I didn't need to. It sat pretty flat back there, and plus I did have the curly nape edges to kind of cover everything up to where it looks nice and natural. So now I'm going in using a little bit of water, a little bit of my foaming wrap mousse, just to kind of tone down the frizz that I did develop while installing the unit. And I'm going to allow that to dry, and we're going to go ahead and remove our elastic band just to look at what this unit is giving. Now the edges were a little too long, so I'm just kind of brushing those out and playing with them, and I decided to ultimately cut them down to where they're a little shorter, and then I'm just going to again brush through them just to kind of get a natural appearance. I'm popping a little bit of my powder in the parting space just to get that part to pop just a bit, and then I'm spraying a darker tone lace spray, and I'm applying that around the lace just to kind of tone that down. And you guys, this is what this unit is giving. It has like that very natural, loose, messy, wavy look, which I am feeling is not super defined or perfect. Once again, it's giving kind of like a effortless, messy look, which I think is what they were kind of going with this particular style. Now, if you guys do happen to develop a cast, go ahead and break that right off just to get some volume and a little bit of frizz. The frizz never hurt nobody, so y'all go ahead and play around with it as I am. I'm just using my fingers just to kind of make it look really effortless, so you guys see what this unit looks like from all angles. Here is the back, and then here is what the perimeter of the hairline is giving. You guys can see how the lace is melted into my skin. So like I mentioned before, I do plan on wearing this unit in a ponytail. Essentially, that's pretty much the purpose of a 360 unit. You can wear it down, you can wear it up in a ponytail. It looks very natural. So I just applied my edge band just to kind of hold the wig in place because I didn't want it to pop off. But I just sprayed down the hair using a little bit of water, a little bit of my foamy wrapping mousse, and I'm just putting this in a high, messy little bun situation with the curls kind of poking through. Gonna remove that edge band, and yeah, this is what this unit looks like in a ponytail. Now I am using the adjustable invisible straps to adjust the unit to where the very back sits flat because I didn't apply any glue. You don't really need glue for the back of the unit, so I just adjusted the unit to where everything sits very comfortably, and this is what this unit is looking like worn in a ponytail. Here is the very back. You guys can really go in and fluff out those curls or cut them down. I decided to leave the very back of the unit curls intact just to kind of let you guys see what this unit looks like. But again, you can pick up this unit from YMI. I'll have all the details and information located in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Have a blessed one.